Have you ever heard of the smallest cattle breed in the world? Today, we're going to introduce you to the Vechur cow, a unique and rare breed of dwarf cattle that comes from India. Specifically, it hails from a tiny place known as Vechur, nestled by the side of Vembanad Lake near Vaikam in the Kottayam district of South Kerala. Now, what does this petite powerhouse look like? Well, these cows are quite the sight with their light red, black, fawn or white coats. But don't let their small stature fool you. Standing at a height that's much shorter than your average cow, these little bovines are well adapted to the hot and humid climate of the area. They are both charming and resilient, a testament to nature's incredible diversity. Despite their small size, these cows have a number of unique characteristics that make them quite remarkable. So sit back and prepare to be amazed as we delve deeper into the captivating world of the Vechur cow. You might be wondering, what makes these small cows so special? Well, their adaptability and resilience are certainly worth noting. The Vechur cow, named after the small town of Vechur in South Kerala, is a breed designed by nature to thrive in the hot and humid climate of this region. Their small stature, light red, black, fawn, or white coats are not just for show. These characteristics help them withstand the intense heat and humidity, making them an excellent fit for their local environment. But it's not just their physical adaptability that sets them apart. These cows are also low maintenance, requiring less food than crossbred species. This is a significant advantage, particularly in areas where resources are scarce. Despite their small size, these cows can give a good amount of milk, making them an efficient option for dairy farming. Now let's talk about health. Vechur cows have a natural resistance to several common cattle diseases. They are highly resistant to mastitis, a blockage of the teats in the udder that can significantly affect milk production. These cows also show remarkable resistance to foot and mouth disease, a highly contagious and severe viral disease that affects cloven-hoofed animals and various respiratory infections. This resistance to common illnesses means that Vechur cows require almost no veterinary care, saving their caretakers time and resources. In a world where disease resistance and adaptability are key to survival, these small cows are a shining example of resilience. They not only survive but thrive in their local environment, requiring little in the way of food and care, and yet they provide an essential resource to their community: milk. So if you're ever in Kerala and see these small, sturdy cows grazing peacefully, remember their remarkable adaptability and resilience. Remember that despite their small size, they play a big role in their community, providing milk, requiring little care, and demonstrating a natural resistance to disease. These resilient cows, with their easy maintenance and disease resistance, play a significant role in their local community. The Vechur cow is not just another cattle breed, it holds a special place in the heart of the local community. The Vechur cow is deeply woven into the fabric of life in the Kottayam district of South Kerala. It's not just a source of livelihood for the local farmers, but a symbol of their heritage and tradition. This petite powerhouse of a cow is a treasure trove of benefits for the local community. In many rural households, the Vechur cow is the lifeline that sustains their economy. Despite its small size, it's a reliable source of milk, which has a higher yield than any other dwarf cattle. This milk not only nourishes the family, but also provides an income stream when sold in local markets. In addition, the Vechur cow is a boon to organic farming. Its manure is a valuable organic fertilizer that enhances soil fertility and crop productivity. This means healthier crops, better yields, and a sustainable farming system that doesn't rely on chemical fertilizers. The Vechur cow also plays a significant role in local cultural practices. It's often featured in festivals and celebrations, symbolizing abundance and prosperity. It's revered, respected, and loved by the community. But the socio-economic importance of the Vechur cow doesn't stop there. Its disease-resistant nature and low maintenance requirements make it an ideal choice for farmers, especially those with limited resources. It doesn't demand much, but it gives back generously. In a world where large-scale industrial farming often overlooks the welfare of animals, the Vechur cow stands as a testament to a more humane and sustainable way of farming. It's a shining example of how we can live in harmony with nature, reaping its benefits without exploiting it. The Vechur cow is more than just an animal. It's an integral part of the community's identity. It's a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the local farmers who have preserved this rare breed and continue to reap its benefits. But the benefits of the Vechur cow extend beyond just the local community. Did you know the milk from the Vechur cow has some unique health benefits? Indeed, the milk that these diminutive bovines produce is packed full of goodness. So let's delve deeper into the medicinal properties of Vechur cow milk. This milk is a nutritional powerhouse. It contains a higher proportion of smaller fat globules compared to other types of milk. Now, you might be wondering why the size of the fat globules matters. Well, smaller fat globules are easier for our bodies to break down and absorb. This means when you consume Vechur cow's milk, you're getting more bang for your buck in terms of nutritional absorption. But that's not all. Vechur cow milk also has a high content of saturated fatty acids. While the term saturated fats might set off alarm bells, it's important to remember that not all saturated fats are created equal. These fats are essential for our bodies to function properly, playing a crucial role in everything from hormone production to brain function. One of the unique aspects of Vechur cow milk is its potential therapeutic use in treating malabsorption syndrome. This condition occurs when the intestine can't properly absorb nutrients from the food we eat. The smaller fat globules and saturated fatty acids in Vechur cow milk can help enhance nutrient absorption, providing a potential solution for those suffering from this syndrome. And it's not just modern science that recognizes these benefits. Ayurveda, an ancient Indian system of medicine, has long accepted the medicinal property of Vechur cow's milk. This is a testament to the age-old wisdom and knowledge of the Vechur cow's benefits, which have been passed down through generations. So the next time you're sipping on a glass of milk, think about the source. Is it from a Vechur cow? A creature that's small in stature but mighty in benefits? If not, perhaps it's time to reconsider. After all, why settle for less when you can have the best? So, the next time you think about cows, remember the Vechur cow, small in size but mighty in benefits.